G'day sports fans, welcome to today's episode. We are back in the world of hard enduro. As you can see, a couple of rocks involved, that's why we love it. Out there with a regular crew, midweek Wednesday ride, love it, beats working for a living. Let's go for a ride. Oh, conditions are prime today, sports fans. Check out this soil. Alright, rocking a new camera today. People, GoPro Hero 11 Black. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully solves all the other issues of the 8 that I had. It's getting pretty old, crashing all the time and stuff. So it's about time I splashed out. Gonna be some tricky sections today. Whoa, steep. Bit of a drop off here, folks. Oh. Left, what am I talking about? That's silver class, gold class up the top. I forgot my GoPro mount today, so I'm using my chin mount again, which sometimes sort of works. Sometimes it's too low because I sit down a lot, so until this video comes out. Plenty of grip, definitely can't complain about that. Yeah. Nice, Benny. Didn't even know there was a line. Oh, oh no. Uh-oh. I ain't going past this in a hurry. A few moments later. Gear selection, they Burnsy. This one's a nice little drop off. See if I can do it without falling off. Yes, just. Bar up. Alright, see if I can do this in a bit of a zap. Okay, here we go, folks. Oh, Brucey's doing an overtake. Yeah, boy. I love it, boys. I love it. Oh, what you stopped there for, Brucey?
Fucking hell, I'm so happy with that.
You've done the hard bit. Come on, Brucey. I know you can do this. That is awkward. Well, it didn't work out perfect, but I tell you what, it could have been a whole lot worse. Weather's cool, tracks are moist. Can I use that word? Moist. Rocks are slippery. Tyres are flat. Mooses are flat. What more do we want in life, Brucey?
Oh, we got everything. Living the dream.
Look at the steam coming off him. It looks so easy, doesn't it? Yeah, nice. Oh, Brucey. Look at that. Not talking to you again. Where are you going? Tracks over there. Oh, I wonder if I can get up there, squeeze past him. Reckon I can squeeze past you there, Brucey? Where are you going? Anywhere nice? Where are you going?
I was going to turn around, but then the back wheel's going that way.
Yeah, don't fall in there. We'll have to get the chopper in. Okay, this is steep. Let me get a bit. Need to get a better angle on the run up. Oh, I don't want to go down there. Alright, from there. Alright, here we go. Here. That'll do. Nice little zap. Lean back. Oh, busy. Oh, that'll do, son. That will do. There she is. Here we go. I'm sorry for the breathing, folks. Can't help it. Oh, I was having a good run there. So slippery. Stop. So hard to get going. Oh, pick a gear burns. Oh, super slippery. how good does that look, folks? Doesn't get to look any better than this for what we do. Really taxing, testing, but that's why we love it. Let's do a bit more. He's doing well, now he knows he's on camera. Jeez. The hole here, yeah, that was one. Not a bad line there on the left. That didn't work very well. Try that again. Failed. Yeah, I hit my elbow. It was supposed to turn there at the top there, Ben. I just kind of went straight into the wall. I did send the command, I'm sure. Third time lucky. So think about it too much. Not the best, but well, there you go. Everyone else made it look easy. Only me made it look hard. That's what I'm here for, people. Make you feel better, Rob. What's going on there, Benny? She's deader than tank tops. Is the relay clicking? No Kickstarter either. Thought these beaters don't break down.
It's got heaps of bloody juice in it.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Just give it a keep clicking it. Oh, there you go. Needed a good electrician there, Benny. Huh? Just needed a bit of percussive maintenance and she's good to go.
Have you got any road tags, mate, to say it's released to service?
After you, sir. Nice. More revs, Rob. Oh, this is awkward. Oh, did you run out of petrol?
Fuel's off.
The fuel is off. Rookie error. at that. Got to be a 7 out of 10 for effort, Benny.
Mate, you had it all, you had the speed.
Oh, so much traction.
Yeah.
Got to give that one more go, I think. Ah, that's enough fun, I think. My best with the front wheel over. A lot of dogging going on today. Can't beat a bit of dogging, especially on Wednesdays. Yeah. Oh well, that's it folks, another hard day in the office. Hope you like that content for crashes. See you on the next one.